Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies. For your relationship, we will be picking one card from another deck, and for your career, another card. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading, Taurus. And if you are interested in a personal reading, Taurus, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fever. You can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So today we have Four of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, and Sun in reverse. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or in your relationship, you are seeing some good changes, positive changes in your life. Maybe your whatever you have been expecting, some opportunities in career, maybe some new offers or new financial deals, some work related offers are coming to you, something that is going to make you really happy. The same way in your relationship, you are really happy the way things are, you love this person, you have a good understanding with this person. But maybe you are quite stubborn on a few things. Maybe you are advising them on certain things because you love them and you don't want this person to face any difficulty. But they are feeling that you are too controlling or dominating. So that may be the reason for some misunderstanding or some arguments in this connection. But other than that, I see that there is mutual love, respect, and caring for each other in this connection. But your stubbornness is something they do not like. And that is the reason that is making them think against you. So you must be, if it is your energy, maybe if you are the one who is stubborn on certain things, you must be more friendly, you must go for open communication, trying to build a beautiful understanding with this person, trying to make them understand your point of view rather than trying to impose it or force it on this person, Taurus. So we will see what is the card for your relationship. We have one card, to the sea. So this card just means that you must go with the flow. See where things are going, an apt guidance. So instead of being stubborn and trying to be dominating or trying to be too obsessive with this person, you must be really friendly and see where things are taking you. Your mutual, understanding and your combined goals and desires, where things are taking you. So where this relationship is moving. So this is the time for you to just relax and see where this journey is taking you in this connection. So go with the flow. That is what this means. See where things are going today in this connection. So let's see what is the card for your career circumstances, Taurus. We picked one card, it is Six of Moons. So, with this card, maybe you're worried about something that happened in your past, and that past is still clouding you, is blocking the present, blocking you from seeing the present situation with more clarity. So, you must take the learning from the past and implement that in your present, but give up all that hurt and all the negative feelings. That is going to clear up your mind, Taurus. So that is the energy here with these cards. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds. Open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, the Goose Girl. I hope you can see the card. Theft. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your circumstances today, your identity is being stolen or you have been wronged in a very bad way. Something of yours has been stolen. But you need to understand that your uniqueness and what is truly yours can never be stolen from you. Though it may look like you have lost something, in truth you have not lost it. It is a part and a parcel of your being, the truth about yourself, your true characters, your true nature. It can never be copied because each and every one of us are unique in our own way. And maybe you are facing some problems because of this. But justice will always happen. Truth will unfold in your life very soon. Truth can never be hidden for a long time and it will be revealed very soon in your situation. And you are being protected and you are being cared for, but you don't know it yet. You may feel lost, a little lonely. You may feel lost away from the people you love, people who have cared for you. But this hardship is coming to an end, and whatever injustice has been done to you is ending very soon. And you need to understand that truth will always prevail. So you need not worry. Truth about you, truth about your circumstance is coming out very soon. And whatever cruelty or jealousy is done to an innocent person will never harm them. It will just go back to the doer. So you need to understand that, and you need to understand that justice can never be thwarted. It will always unfold and truth will always prevail. So that is the energy here. So maybe you have been wronged, or maybe if you have wronged someone, you should make amends if you have done something wrong to someone. If you have tried to copy them, or if you have tried to take away what is truthfully theirs, you must mend your ways. Or if something bad has happened to you, or someone has done something bad to you, you need not worry. What is rightfully yours will always come to you. So that is the energy here with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, we have the impossible made possible. So in our hearts, we will be dreaming of big dreams, and we ourselves, we will feel that it is something, it's too big, or it is too much to imagine, or it is too unreal to manifest in our life. But there is nothing wrong to dream, and there is nothing impossible for that divine power to make it happen. So we need to have that belief in that divine power, in that higher power. So all that is holding us back from achieving these dreams are our thoughts of that lack of belief, that lack of belief in the higher power's power to unfold such dreams in our life. So our mind is the reason for us to be like this. So when we are truly passionate, when we yearn for such beautiful dreams to unfold in our life, there is nothing to stop us. And at that right time, what we passionately wish for ourselves and what we truthfully wish for ourselves will definitely unfold in our life. With that divine help, that dream will unfold, and this card means a blessing is coming your way, and this is it will be like the sweetest water quenching the thirst of our soul. So just like that, whatever we are really passionate about and whatever we yearn for, so that dream is waiting to unfold with that divine blessings. But all we need to do is have that belief in our heart. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. So that is the reading for you all today with these cards. Guys, thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.